You know that feeling? You spent hours polishing your LinkedIn, writing the perfect CV, and then you stare at your profile photo, that old selfie from 3 years ago. And let's be honest, no one wants to pay $300 for a professional photo shoot every time you need an update. Well, what if I told you you can now generate studio-level headshots, fully AI-generated, using nothing but a single selfie, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in. First, head over to midjourney.com and log into your account. On the left side, you'll see a menu bar. Click on Create. Now, at the very top, you'll see the Imagine bar. Click that too. Here comes the main part. Upload a photo of yourself. Don't overthink it, a simple selfie works just fine. It doesn't have to be perfect, but make sure your face is clearly visible. Use decent lighting if you can. It really helps the AI pick up your features accurately. Now, here's the part where most people get lost, the personalization setup. You need to unlock your V7 Global Personalization profile. Click the version 7 toggle, confirm the pop-up. Now comes the weird part. You'll be shown a bunch of AI-generated portraits. Simply click on the ones you feel best match your vibe. Yes, it's a bit tedious, but you only need to do this once. Now comes the fun part, generating the headshots. You simply write a prompt describing the vibe you want. Here's the one I used, and yes, I actually asked ChatGPT to help me write it. That's where the new Omni strength parameter comes in. It controls how much the AI sticks to your original face structure. You can also tweak style and weirdness to fine-tune the vibe. I recommend starting with default values and then experimenting. Hit generate and boom. Midjourney gives you 4 variations. And honestly, this looks pretty damn close to a real photo shoot. Skin texture, lighting, facial features, it nails so many of the small details. Look at this one. This could go straight to my LinkedIn. This one? Slightly too airbrushed. You can upscale, re-roll, or edit directly within Midjourney. Is this replacing real photographers? No, but for personal branding, for quick updates, for that freelance profile picture you need tonight, this is an absolute game changer. And with every update, it's getting freakishly better. If this was helpful, smash that like button. Helps the channel more than you think. Subscribe for more real-world AI tools for design, business, and getting stuff done. And I'm curious, would you trust an AI-generated headshot for your LinkedIn? Drop it in the comments.